hungry. Put your hand down. Maybe she'll take from your hand.
Yeah, then she bite me maybe.
Okay, I'll give you. Give her. Have it.
It's with cookie with
Chocolate?
no rosé.
Oh,
Grapes.
Dates.
Grapes from the grapes.
It's dates. Looks like dates.
No raisin.
Okay.
You know raisins? It's from the grape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Raisin. I think that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Better than there. She had chocolate.
Yeah.
That's not good.
She's hungry.
Yeah, maybe she have babies.
Could be.
It's spring. Maybe in the tree.
Like she's like wanted us to give something.
She like it, or he, I don't know. Lekker wijfie?